The drop function allows you to drop a few rows or columns from your data. If you're familiar with take function, then this is similar. While intuitively, drop is the opposite of take function, but with a little bit of thought, you can return exactly the same result using both the functions. In case you're not familiar with take, do not worry. I have explained the drop function without assuming an understanding of the take function. In any case, I will leave a link in the description below for you to look at how does the take function work after you've seen this video. Let's say in the data that is visible, we want to display all the rows except the top 5, which means we need to drop the top 5 rows. So the formula that we will write is drop. The first parameter is array, which is the entire data A2 to D21. And rows is the number of rows we want to drop. We will write 5 since we want to drop the top 5 rows. And we get the result. As you can see, the data doesn't have the rows with order IDs O10001 to O1005. Now let's say instead of the top 5 rows, we want to drop the last 5 rows. To drop the rows from the bottom of the table, we can use a negative index. Therefore, for the row parameter, we can provide a -5 instead of 5 to drop the bottom 5 rows. As I had the minus before 5, you can see the first 5 rows are now getting displayed, whereas the last 5 rows from order IDs O1016 to O1020 have been dropped. Now let's look at our final example. Here we want to display the rows with the top 2 units sold from the northern region. We can do this in 3 steps. The first step is to filter out the data for the northern region. The second step will be to sort the data in descending order. And the final step will be to display only the top 2 rows. So let's start. The first thing we'll do is write a filter function. The array is entire data. And then we filter for those rows where the values in cell B2 to B21 is equal to north. Now that we have this data, we can sort it in descending order of units sold. So let's add a sort before the filter. The index will be 4 as we are sorting based on the 4th column, and the order will be descending. Now we only want to see the top 2 rows. We would ideally use the take function here to display the top 2 rows, but we can also use the drop function and drop the last 3 rows. So we will write drop before the sort, and we will write -3 to drop the last 3 rows. And that's how we get the desired result. I hope this was useful. If you would like to learn more such functions, you can browse through our channel. Alternatively, if you'd like to master Excel quickly, then you can consider our course Excel Masterclass. I will leave the link for it in the description. You can click on that link to learn more about it. Thanks for watching and till next time.